We made Ann Curtis's favorite kimchi fried rice. This is one of Ann Curtis's favorite dishes.
This one's for you, Ann.
First, we should cook the bacon. Rendering the bacon fat adds super delicious bacon flavor to this kimchi rice recipe. Keep some of that bacon fat in the pan so you can gently toast the garlic in it. Add the kimchi and its juice and stir to combine. Add the rice and toss to combine. Tip: day-old rice is best, but if it's not available, you can still make fried rice using freshly cooked rice instead. Before turning off the heat, season to taste with salt and pepper. Set this aside and keep warm so you can cook the final component, the poached eggs. Stir in vinegar to help firm up the egg whites. Break one egg into a bowl, then gently lower it into the hot water. Let cook until the whites are just set and the yolks are still runny. Tip: use the freshest eggs you can buy so your eggs are easy to poach. Garnish with green onions and toasted sesame seeds. Break that runny egg and spoon some rice with gusto.
So good.
Can't wait to taste it. Let's eat. Ooh. The poached egg, it looks so perfectly done. You almost don't want to touch it, but it's also the best part. The way it just drools out right there. This one is yummy. Masisayo. I hope I said that right. Masisayo. Oh my gosh. Sana all Ann can go all the way to Korea just to eat. I am loving that extra garlic. I'm feeling that, that every time you bite it, I taste the garlic. Ooh, this is good. And with the egg, that is a good poached egg. Good poached egg. I'm just gonna grab bacon and we're just gonna use our hands for the bacon because I don't know if you use a spoon for bacon, but okay, this is some tasty bacon. And with the egg, and with the kimchi, and with the garlic, it is a party in my mouth.
One of my favorite Korean dishes.
I totally understand why this is your favorite Korean food, Ann. I totally get it. Super simple, super easy to do, and adding the poached egg as well as the bacon definitely adds that extra to it. Oh, so yummy. Okay, and so the only difference between when you went to Korea to travel and eat all the food is I don't have an oppa like Erwan taking me to all these places to eat. You know, I had to make my own, but super simple to do. And I may not be eating in Korea this traditional kimchi fried rice, but I'll pretend that instead of the camera, I'm on a date with my oppa. Hello, would you like some kimchi fried rice with poached egg and bacon? Oh! Thank you, Yummy, for the kimchi fried rice recipe. Now, all we need to do is get Gongyu, call our oppas, watch some K-dramas, and listen to BTS. That's what we need to do right now.